Hey, what's up, y'all? Today we're going to be unboxing, finally, the 17 Pro Max after remaining the S25 Ultra for a month now, roughly. I finally got the 17 Pro Max with the in the blue titanium, deep blue color, and a AirPods 3 Pro, and a case. So let's get started. Alright, y'all, this is going to be it. The 17 Pro Max, the case, and the AirPods Pro 3. So I'm gonna be really silent so I could make an ASMR video for y'all. Alright. First, let's unbox the phone. Let's unbox the case now. How about the AirPods Pro, 3rd generation? Wow, this is so beautiful. Wow. This is such a beautiful device. We're not going to set it up now. I'm going to set it up off video because it's just going to be an unboxing. Alright, let's put that phone aside. Yeah, let's put that phone aside. Now, let's unbox the AirPods Pro 3rd generation. God, they look so beautiful. Let's keep this on a side so we can unbox the case now. We'll set it up later. I'll make another video setting it up, y'all. But now it's just, here it is, the case. be applying the case. I'll sit down and apply the case for y'all. And the screen protector. Screen protector. Yeah. Screen protector and everything. And the camera protector. Yeah. Now let's first do the screen protector. I feel like that's the most necessary right now. But to do. Let me just turn on the bright lights because I don't think y'all can see properly. Here. Oh my god. Yeah. Let's do the dust though. There should be a dust removal. I believe there should be a dust removal, yeah. There we go. Oh, I love this phone so much. Not that great, but yeah, it'll do. Here we go. Should be done here. That looks nice, but still. Yeah, there's still some residue here. Alright. This looks beautiful. Yeah. There we go. The 17 Pro Max. And now let's install the case. There we go. MagSafe case. Oh yeah, this looks beautiful. Let's first install the camera protector. I feel like this is the most right part. To install the camera protector. Yeah. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Yep, here it is, y'all. Now let's install the case. Grand finale. There it is, my 17 Pro Max, fully protected. Now let's boot it on. Yeah, there we go. 17 Pro Max. There it is, booting up. Alright, now, alright y'all, that's going to be it. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.